Yeah, hi everyone. So last concept of electrochemistry is corrosion topic. You are watching Appa chemistry classes. Myself Nagappa. Today's topic is corrosion. So it is the last topic. Before this we had seen the fuel cell, that is important one. We had seen the limitations and uses of fuel cell. You can find that video in iCard as well as at the end of the video. Okay na? So next we are going to see the corrosion here. So now corrosion is nothing but what? That corrosion mainly takes place on the surface of the metal. Now this corrosion leads to the damage of enormous damage to the buildings and whatever the bridges which are made up of metals. Is it or not? So if that corrosion takes place, then what happens? Buildings may damage, and also whatever the bridges which are made up of with metals, those bridges also will be damaged. Okay now, so by that damage what happens, we know what are the consequences. It may be leads to the so many what we can say here, lives also will spoil, and also economically will be damage also takes place. So that is the corrosion plays the crucial role. First thing, what is mean by corrosion we have to see. So corrosion is nothing but some undesirable substance will be formed on the surface of the metal. Say for example it is a surface of the metal. So on the surface of metal some undesirable substance is formed. So that undesirable substance, which is not useful substance, which is formed on the surface of metal, is said to be corroded. Okay, now that metal will form the some undesirable compound whenever it react with the environment. Environment mainly contains the oxygen and also moisture. So liquid water vapor and as well as oxygen gas. So these are the major component which are present in the nitrogen is there, but it is an inert one. So when these metals are react with this atmospheric oxygen and water, then what happens? They forms the some undesirable substance on the surface of metal. That undesirable substance will reduces the quality of the metal. Then it will weaken the quality of the metal. Okay now. So what are the undesirable substance formed by the different metal? You can see that is rusting of iron. It can takes place whenever the iron pieces which are thrown outside after 1 or 2 days, you can find clearly the brown deposition takes place on the surface of metal. It is due to formation of what? Iron oxide. On the surface of iron metal, what happens? Some oxide layer will be formed. Some oxides compounds are formed. Those are undesirable ones. So turning of silver, you can take the silver ornaments in our home. Our mothers and sisters will wear the silver ornaments. When they bought that one, so they are having more shining, but what happens after repeated using? What happens? They becomes a dull appearance. Some black coating will be takes place on that surface of the silver ornament. That is due to formation of silver sulfide, and also green coating on copper. In our puja mandir, we will see the small copper balls, small copper vessels. You can observe that copper vessels, they are having some inner coating will be what? Because that inner layer of copper vessel which is contact with water, so it forms some green layer on that. And also you can see clearly in air conditioners, ACs will have the what? Copper rod outside the air conditioner. You can see that in the place of tube, you can find that green coating there also. Okay na? That green coating is due to formation of what? Copper carbonate as well as copper hydroxide. Malachite, it is said to be what? Malachite, which is formed on the surface of copper. So which creates so much of damage to the metal. Now after that, here you see mechanism. What type of mechanism takes place actually to form that compound? These compounds are forming now. How those compounds are formed? Now I will explain with the help of iron. Okay now, rusting of iron. So this is an iron metal. Now in this case, this iron undergoes corrosion process. This corrosion is also an example of electrochemical process. Okay, because here the iron metal, in some place it may contact with what? More percentage of oxygen. More percentage of oxygen. In some place less percentage of oxygen will be there. Less percentage of oxygen. So the surface of metal where the percentage of oxygen is less, that component of metal will undergo in oxidation. Will act as anode. The metal at which percentage of oxygen is less, that portion of the metal will act as what? Anode. the portion of metal which is having more percentage of oxygen, that will act as cathode. Means what? It is just like the formation of oxide layer on the surface of iron metal. It is follows the electrochemical principle. Just like how anode and cathode reactions will take place, those reactions only takes place here also. Now at anode what happens? Anode in the sense less percentage of oxygen containing metal surface will undergo oxidation, will loses the electron. We are getting 2 electrons. And at cathode what happens? Whatever the electron which are released at anode spot, those electrons are moving towards these electrons are moving towards this cathodic pot. This cathodic pot contain more percentage of oxygen. That more percentage of oxygen, then what happens? More percentage of oxygen containing pot will gain by those electron, whatever the electron which are coming here. Those electrons are gained by the oxygen which is present in the atmosphere. And as well as in the atmosphere we have the carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide, whenever it reacts with water, it forms the carbonic acid. So acid is formed. Here H plus ions will be released when it is present in aqueous condition. In presence of that acidic medium, what happens? We are getting water. Now you see there electrode potential. It is what? Oxidation potential. It is what? Reduction potential. Okay na? So you convert into reduction potential. Then what happens? Its reduction potential will be plus 0.44. It is reduction potential if you are taking Fe plus 2 to Fe. So then what happens? The overall cell reaction, if you had seen, just you multiply with 2 times here. Then what happens? 4 electrons get cancelled. Now what is left over? 2Fe plus 2, 4. So 2Fe plus O2 plus 4 number of H plus ion gives rise to 2Fe plus 2 plus 2 moles of H2O we are getting. Okay, that undesirable water will be, so due to presence of that water, so it is undergoing the water rusting. In presence of water, the iron plus 2 ions will be oxidized to plus 3 ion. Now you see the overall cell reaction, cell potential will be water plus 1.67 plus 1.67. Now you see here oxidation potential is plus 0.44 and reduction potential is 1.23. Both you add, you will get the 1.67 volts. Is it or not? So that is what 1.67 volts potential we are getting. It is what? Plus. Now E naught cell is what? Here plus. Then Gibbs free energy will be what happens? Negative, because delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. That is electrode potential is positive, means delta G naught becomes negative. That is corrosion is what? It is a spontaneous process. Is it or not? Are you helping to undergo corrosion? No. So it is taking place spontaneously with the help of atmospheric gases like oxygen, water vapor and carbon dioxide. In presence of that carbon dioxide, what happens? Undesirable substances are formed. So that is what we are calling corrosion. So the corrosion is what? It is explained based on the electrochemical principle. So how reactions takes place we had seen. Now what are the different prevention methods we have to prevent that corrosion? What we have to do? So first thing we need to do is separate the metal from environment. For example, it is a rainy season. If you are placing the metals on the outside, then what happens? In presence of moisture, it will readily undergo rusting. If you are placing that iron in out of that moisture, that is if you are storing in airtight, what we can say, without any moisture containing room, then what happens? Somewhat you can prevent. Is it or not? And also how we can avoid from the environment? By oiling or by greasing or by applying the water, some chemicals over the surface of metal like bisphenol. Bisphenol is a chemical which is used to prevent the corrosion. That is most important. And also most important, alloying of metals. So some poles are there in New Delhi. One pole is there that is built at the time of Ashoka time. But still now it is present as it is only. It is not undergoing rusting. At that time, at the ancient time only, we have the alloying. That is mixing of metal. By mixing of metal, what happens? The quality of metal will be increased. Okay, na? And also by electroplating process, coating of one metal over the surface of another metal. You can see the some god idols. So they are looking like a gold idols, but they are having the what inside iron metal will be there, outside gold plating will be there. So silver ornament, silver ideals or gold ideals. Okay, you can see those outside. One metal is plated, coated on that surface by doing the water with the help of electricity. That is what we are calling electroplating process and galvanization process, which is very very important. Most of the time asked. Galvanization process is nothing but coating of zinc layer, zinc metal over the surface of other metal is said to be what? Galvanization process. Coating of zinc on the surface of metal. So then what happens? That zinc, whatever the surface metal contains the what? Zinc. That zinc will oxidize, but it will prevent the oxidizing of inner metal. So that is zinc is what it is doing. It is sacrificing his life. Its life is sacrificed to save the inside metal. So for that reason, that zinc in galvanization process is said to be sacrificial electrode, which the term is very very important. So sacrificial electrode, it is also act as anode because it is undergoing oxidation. That zinc which is present on the surface of metal, that is undergoing oxidation, so it will act as anode. So it will undergo oxidation, but it will prevent the undergoing of oxidation of inner metal. So for that reason, that zinc in galvanization process is said to be sacrificial electrode. Is that clear? These are the different preventing methods which we will use for the prevention of corrosion. I hope so you have understood the corrosion well. So this is what complete electrochemistry. So those who not watched till now, you can see all the playlist I will mention in the end of the screen as well as in the iCard. So thank you. Have a nice day. Keep watching Appa Chemistry classes.